Hello guys, our today's topic is how to enable monitor mode in wireless adapter. It may be external or internal, works on both. Now everyone thinks why we enabling it. After enable it, you can do crazy stuff like capture packet in our range, hack any Wi-Fi you want, sniff packets and much more. We go through in detail in this video. Before that, let's roll the intro. I go to my terminal. This time we run iwconfig is for all wireless interfaces. And you can see LAN 0 right here, which is my internet wireless adapter. And you can see the mode of this adapter is set to managed. What this means is basically this is the default mode of all wireless device. So basically it will only capture device data directed to my Kali machine. What we want is to be able to capture all the packet data within a range. To do this, we need to set mode to monitor instead of manage. So as usual, before change the option interface, you have to first disable it. If config LAN 0 down, executed without error. Our third command will be iwconfig followed by interfaces name LAN 0 mode set to monitor. iwconfig LAN 0 mode monitor. And finally, we need to enable the interface. If config LAN 0 up, hit enter, that's done. Now I run iwconfig again. You will see that the mode is set to be monitor like as we want. Now we can capture any packet that in our range. Now in next video I will show you how to see all wireless connection in air with their BSS ID and how to hack them and interfere between them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.